And then we will make spicy chicken salad.
Spicy chicken salad.
อะไรอะ
Okay.
หอมแดง
First, for lemongrass, you have to mince it.
Mince it.
Like,
Okay.
Very, very thin.
Very thin. Okay.
Allow this, and for this one, it's hard to chew.
Okay.
For this I will put all, okay?
Okay.
Chili too, because he likes spicy, right?
Yes.
Can I have your knife?
Yes.
แล้วพี่ชูคนให้พี่หน่อยแกกำลังคนไปแต่ไม่คม คนไปแต่ไม่คมนะจ๊ะ เพราะว่าเป็นคนฝนมีดไม่คม
Better.
Good or not?
Yes. Yes.
ลุ้น because normally my husband do
Oh.
because I do and then it's give me chance 5 minutes or 3 minutes and then do again
It's okay.
because มันหางมันจะเหนียว
because for this part it's hard to chew.
It's hard to chew. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
มันแยกออกจากกันดูมันเป็นแท่งไง
Okay, this for shallot.
Mm-hmm.
Thin slice.
Thin slice.
You can cut half it.
Okay.
Do you know this?
Cilantro.
This is cilantro.
That's cilantro.
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 See,
Oh.
I believe you can break it. The smell. It's stronger. No, you have to break it. Break.
Oh. Oh, that's good. I like that. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, เนี่ยหน้ามันจะไป
For all of these, we will cut around 1 centimeter or half inch.
Okay. Okay.
ไปทำหมูสุกกับปลาใส่รสดีอันนี้ทิ้งไม่ดีเลย
And then for this tray, we will leave on the table and we will move to that stove.
Okay.
For cook-
ใส่ลงนิด
Oh, and put
In there.
we will mix yes everything inside เอาช้อนมาเอาช้อนกับซ่อมไม้เข้าผสม okay and leave your pot here leave your pot here
add all these inside these. And then chili powder. ให้ชิมก่อนแล้วค่อยเติมน้ำปลาเด้อน้ำปลา and lime. One first. This and mix. When mix together and taste. Will they more spicy, more salty, more sour?
More salty.
More salty. This sauce. How about spicy and sour?
Maybe a little more spicy. So that's the.
And at this is
Okay.
And please for more texture.
Texture. All of it. And then mix.
Yes. Chill. This is vegetable for it with this one.
Okay.
สอนน้ำปลา
papaya salad ที่เรียกมา ไม่ต้องเอามาทำไมแม่ลงกัดชัดอยู่มือปัด
We have long bean, garlic, carrot, peanut, and tomato.
Okay.
First, for long bean, we're gonna cut around the size of
Okay.
papaya.
หย่อนหม้อได้ไหมใครก็ได้ไปหย่อนได้
And next, for tomato, we're gonna cut half.
Just half.
Next, for I like papaya. It's gonna be like this. More like this.
Okay.
And use grated for some type of like example, this is papaya.
Uh-huh.
Like this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
But
it's
it's
dangerous.
yeah, quite dangerous
Yes.
for
Yes. Yes.
garlic inside. Up high. And powder.
Pound it. Yes.
Okay, now all along inside these.
Just the beans, right?
Yes, and
Okay.
pound
Pound.
until it breaks. But okay. And
Okay.
you can decide how much, because for chili we do not to pound it big, because it's for spicy it by seed.
By seeds. Mhm.
Yeah, maybe two.
Yes.
You can just ground it a bit.
Okay.
And don't make it break.
Don't make them break. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Next for one first. More.
More.
Because you have a lot of papaya.
Oh,
One
okay.
full.
One full.
Yes.
Okay.
And next, two.
Two. Do you break or you just squeeze?
Just squeeze. And now try first. Let's add more.
Mm-mm. No. Good.
Now papaya, carrot, and
Tomato.
tomato potato เลยเมื่อกี้ inside.
In here.
Yes. I like to confuse when I said tomato, it will be potato.
Oh, yes. They're still very close.
It's
Yeah.
clear.
And the papaya.
And it's right when we pound like this. Pound and flip. Pound and flip. Pound
Right.
And I'll
Okay.
try. Just add more. Salty, sweet.
Mm-mm. I like it.
Okay. And like this.
ดูไปล้างมือ
And now mix everything together just by spoon.
Just a spoon.
อันนี้รสชาติโอเคแล้วใช่ไหม
Okay.
And now clean your hand please
Yes, ma'am. Guys, so I made my mango sticky rice. Oh my gosh, it's easy, but it's really, really good. We've already tried some of it. They talk about balance of flavors, so like sweet and the salty. So your sticky rice has got the sweet in it, and then the sauce that goes on the top is the salty part. And they talk about balance.